Meet the long garter stitch, sometimes called the elongated or dropped wrap stitch. It looks intricate, but it's actually just a simple variation of standard garter stitch using yarn overs that we drop on the next row. It creates a stunning mesh-like texture that's completely reversible. It's a fantastic choice for summer garments like tops and open-wore cardigans, where you want maximum drape and airflow. Cast on any number of stitches. I am using long tail cast on, but you can use the one you like the most. Row 1, knit all stitches. Row 2, knit all stitches. Row 3, knit all stitches, wrapping yarn twice around the needle for each stitch. Row 4, knit to the end, working into the first wrap only, dropping extra wrap off the needle. So knit one and drop one, knit one and drop one till the end of the row. Repeat all 4 rows as follow. Knit first row, knit second row, and the third row you knit till the end, wrapping yarn twice around the needle for each stitch. On row 4 you knit to the end, working only into the first wrap only, and drop the second one of the needle. Let me know in a comment down below. Did you like the stitch? Did you find it easy? Will you use it? And if so, what are you going to knit?